Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kodiak waffles, easy method. Preheat your waffle iron, then whisk Kodiak mix with water or milk, add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of oil, and stir just until combined. Spoon batter into the hot iron and cook until golden and crisp. Finish with your favorite toppings and taste, adjusting batter thickness with small amounts of liquid if needed. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep things smooth and easy. Measure Kodiak mix, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of oil, and either water or milk, and set them within reach. A quick whisk takes seconds and prevents overmixing, which keeps waffles tender. Prepare toppings like butter, syrup, or fruit so you can serve immediately. Having everything ready makes the cooking flow calm and enjoyable. Start with a fully preheated waffle iron for consistent browning and crisp edges. Spoon batter into the center and avoid spreading it too thin to keep steam inside and achieve fluffier interior. Resist opening the iron too soon. Peek only when timing suggests a check. Use quick visual cues like deep golden color and crisp edges to know when it's done. Serve right away for best texture and enjoy the aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.